What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the prototype of the gaming smartphone ASUS ROG Phone 6 appeared on the network. ASUS continues its lineup of flagship smartphones ROG Phone. The company is expected to unveil the ROG Phone 6 and 6 Pro as early as the mid of this year. Earlier this year, an insider named _leaks on his Twitter profile page published 2D renders of the ASUS ROG Phone 6 and ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro. Now the network has new details about the new gaming smartphone. The network has published a new design of the most futuristic ASUS ROG Phone 6 smartphone. According to the latest news, ASUS ROG Phone 6 and ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro will receive an almost identical design, where the main difference will be coloring of the back panel. ASUS will equip both gadgets with a triple main camera and an additional vertical display on the rear panel. This week, Qualcomm introduced the flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is an improved version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 single chip system and is aimed at use in the most powerful devices. Later, it became known that one of the smartphones based on this processor will be ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro, live images of which appeared on the network recently. It seems that the launch of the ASUS ROG Phone 6 gaming smartphone is just around the corner, as a prototype of this device has appeared on the network. The images were discovered by an insider in one of the Chinese social networks. The published photos show only the back of the smartphone. The obvious difference from last year's ROG Phone 5 is the presence of a more massive hexagonal module that houses the main camera of the device. The camera module also has the inscription "Confidential Equipment", indicating that we have a prototype smartphone. According to rumors, ASUS ROG Phone 6 and ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro will receive the flagship Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 single chip system. There will really be a lot of RAM and permanent flash memory, up to 18GB of RAM and 512GB of internal flash memory respectively. It is also rumored that both smartphones will be equipped with a 6.78 inches display with a resolution of 2448 by 1080 pixels and a frequency of 144 Hz. The resolution of the main camera will be 64 megapixels, 16 megapixels and 5 megapixels. A front camera of the 32 megapixels will be installed in the front panel. The exact launch date of the gaming smartphone is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Well, peace out.